everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in Chiang Mai. Oh my days, like it's so beautiful here and it's completely different. It's completely different than Bangkok. Like there's so much nature and I'm just standing outside my hostel and it's really nice. And today we're actually gonna go for a bike ride. We have all our bikes set up here. I'm gonna take this bike, which I already set up the seat really low because obviously I'm so small and short. And yeah, we're just gonna cruise around in our bicycles and see if we can find any adventures. At this market and we had some drinks. It was like a break and now we're gonna carry on and traveling further to the mountains, so follow me. So we just arrived to this amazing location. We cannot find mountains. Well I can see mountains just here, but we cannot get there because it's such a long way and bicycles are just not fit for that journey. So we decided to kind of get as close as we can and we found this amazing location. I'm just gonna show you, it's sick.
Yeah, so if we stand there, okay.
Behind me you have this amazing view of waterfalls and so many amazing pictures you can take here. It's just great. I think currently we are trying to get to like waterfalls or like a bridge, which is supposed to be close. So this is where we're going. Just found this amazing bridge. Looks absolutely gorgeous. My hat's done because I'm making going. Driving bicycles. I don't think we can talk to you. I can't cycle any longer, so I'm just gonna walk. I think this was the best idea. And you know what? I think I know where we're going. There's this very popular waterfall called something Doi, Chiang Mai, something like that. And I think that's where we're going. And yeah, it's very nice, I think. I saw it online before I came to Chiang Mai and it looks amazing. So at the top here we also have a temple that you can go and see. I think it's more at the top though, but I don't think we're going to go to the temple today. We just want to kind of relax and see waterfalls. Yeah, so we're going to walk there. We're going to leave our bicycles not here because, you know, we're kind of blocking their cars. But we're just going to find somewhere that we can put our bicycles there and then we're going to walk to the waterfalls. I was gonna say we just arrived to Waterfalls, but there's some random chickens fighting. And that actually is the park I was talking about. It's called Doi, whatever that is. And we just discovered there's some more waterfalls just over there. That looks amazing.